Points and lines. Qigong in canvas. What does it mean? With more than 20 years of practicing acupuncture and Qigong daily, artist Andres Lakuta has experienced the inner feeling of a reality which is built out of invisible energies and almost visible to the eye, with the guidance of movements, intuitions, and sensitivity. In some moments, the music is an incredible help. In other times, a space filled with silence, or even with explosions. And sometimes, it is the momentary experience of the meditative state of reflection. It is the search for a solution. There is always something that is alive and glows with a vibrant energy. It has the intention to tell you a story. What is the story? Come and see. For more information about the exhibit, follow the links in the description below. The best part is that you can re-experience this energy in different forms many times. You only need to repeat the exercise. Follow your breath. Open your inner perception of the self and connect to the universe. Leave us a comment and we will get back to you with any questions that you have. We hope to see you at the exhibit. Thank you for watching and please remember to subscribe.